Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Wise. So today we are analyzing and going through a software that's an additional that brings an added advantage to the online designers and image editors. If you are very familiar with Canva, you are a designer or Microsoft designer or any other software, this tool will be very useful for you because it's also AI powered. So we are basically looking at MediaCloudPro 2.0, the ultimate media editing platform that's set to revolutionize your creative process. So let's dive right in. MediaCloudPro 2.0 comes with a massive library of over 9 million searchable assets, including images, graphics, memes, stickers, icons, and more. Finding the perfect element for your project has never ever been easier. I can tell you this, I'm a designer and content creator, and I have seen what this platform, this tool, this software can do. Now, the heart of Media Cloud Pro 2.0, the live image editors. Wow, I love this. These powerful tools allow you to create and customize your visuals seamlessly. Whether it's tweaking images, designing graphics, or creating eye-catching GIFs, all of that is in the software. It's all embedded in there. And for those looking to add a touch of humor or creativity to your videos like me, the meme creator is a game changer. It will really change your game in creative content creation. Simple, intuitive, and loaded with options to make your content stand out. But it's not just about the numbers. It's also about variety. You will get about 5 million plus stock videos, 50,000 plus stock audios, and a collection of other elements. Your creative options are practically limitless with Media Cloud Pro 2.0. Since time is of essence, especially for content creators, Media Cloud Pro 2.0 can whip up the professional visuals for you in just a few minutes, saving you valuable time and without compromising quality. Now, here is the exciting part for you freelancers and entrepreneurs like me. You gain agency rights. What does that mean? It means you can monetize your creativity by selling the visuals you create. Media Cloud Pro 2.0 isn't just a tool, it's a business opportunity waiting to be seized. Now, we have just scratched the surface because I don't want to waste too much time talking. Just go ahead, find the link in the description, and let's get trying it out. This is Wise. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Let's elevate your creative game and turn your passion into profit on this channel.